Thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to Transfer Your Mind. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel once again. I appreciate everyone who subscribe and also like and share and comment on my videos or the videos that I had uploaded to YouTube. This is my first time actually doing a video of me showing my face. And the reason why I'm doing that because I'm usually don't want to come out because I'm a little bit, camera shy, but I have to come out and show my face because I'm super excited, and I want to be able to share with my subscribers and the rest of the YouTube members about this amazing opportunity that I have came across. It's a wonderful opportunity. This opportunity, you have to have a membership, and it's only by invitation only. So I am inviting people to at least take a look at this amazing opportunity that I have discovered about a few weeks ago. And this amazing opportunity is to help people save money on their bills, to get your bills lowered. You can lower your cable, your internet, your cell phone bill, your internet bill, your car insurance, and the list goes on and on and on. And it also depends on the package level that you come in at. And we have a $20 package. We have also a $100 package, and we have a $200 package. I'm in the middle. I'm not at the lowest level, and I'm not at the highest level. I'm right there in the middle. I'm at the $100 package. That's a monthly subscription, and with that subscription, you'll be able to have so much opportunity as far as also you'll be able to go to on cruises, discounts. You get discounts on cruises, boat cruises, traveling, airline tickets. What else? Let me see. What else? Food, restaurants. I think I probably said that already. If you roadside assistance, if your car breaks down the middle of the road, to be able to see the doctor, medical, dental, vision. What else? The list goes on and on. It's basically, it's amazing. It's amazing amount of money you could save, and we help people save thousands of dollars per month while sharing this opportunity. And while you share this opportunity, you also can create an income stream right along with it. And our goal is also to not only help 1 million families across the globe to be able to save money and get their bills lowered, but we also, in the process of doing that, we are rewarding the members to also be able to create residual income. So the work that you put in like 10 years ago, as long as the people who joined you on the team, they keep their membership, you would get paid off of that work that you put in 5-10 years later on down in the future. You still get paid without doing no additional work. That's called residual income or recruiting income. And you get paid every Wednesday, once a week. You know what I'm saying? This is not a job. It's just starting your own business, and you can work from home or you can work remotely anywhere anywhere you are. You know what I'm saying? You could be traveling, you could be at a hotel, you could be on a beach and still making money. Warren Buffett said, if you don't figure out how to earn money while you're sleeping, you will work until the day that you die. So this is a beautiful opportunity for opportunity seekers, business seekers who wants to start their business and create generational wealth. Actually, this opportunity, you can also leave this as an inheritance. In case you pass away, you can leave this to your kids. It's all about financial freedom. So whoever is interested in creating financial freedom, There will be a link at the bottom of this YouTube channel, and if you want to, you know, check it out, if you're interested in, just go through the pages, read every word, word for word, and if you're interested, you know, just join and sign up. You would, I'm guarantee you would be happy and satisfied that you did. Guarantee you, because our goal, once again, is to make families across the globe, is to help them create $100,000 in 12 months or less, and help them save money and have them to lower their bills. Fantastic. Amazing. Doesn't get any better than that. All right. Financial freedom is where it's at. Talk to you later. Bye for now.